We got a slot with a squirt. As it's a whale. Alright, now to the pokes. Starting with the darkness ablaze for the speed. We got Torchic, Trapinch, Chiquito, Ducklet, Carabless, Air Reverse, a Butterfree V full art for Station.
Who's Station?
A Portion.
Who's Brush?
Station. If you don't know who Station is, go to my channel and watch Precious's videos. He's just the cutest little gray tan orange bob you've ever seen. We got Cubchoo, Rowlet, Marianne, Forlorn, Starly, Daydan Reverse, and a Darmanition.
Darmanition. Damn Darmanition.
Now we gotta open the Silver Tempest. We got Trash. And we got a Cardless. We got a Mini Bindor. We got Attack. We got a Leeting. A Petalil. Chinchou. Ferroseed. Pikachu. A Terrierverse, and Amaldo.
Amado.
And we got the second one that's going to have the alt art for the tiny toy.
Alright.
He's tiny.
Why is he tiny?
He's trying to be like Paul Coin, but he can't juice. Here we got a yacht card. We got Lance Reverse and a Mangiana V. Boo. But don't worry. We got more sessions. In that other bag of more sessions, we got some Lost Origins for stashing. And a mini tin. The Spigatito.
The Sprigatito.
Which of course is going to have the best card because it's a Spigatito.
Sprigatito.
Which is obviously the best Pokies.
What's in there?
First you get the card of the Spigatito, a sticker of the Spigatito, and we get a Silver Tempest and a Scarlet and Violet for station.
Ooh.
Get rid of my station. Got a Chansey, Rare Candy, Fido, Daydan, Esparthra, Arvin, Cacturn, Sharp Reverse, Cushingham Reverse, and Amarooch Hollow.
Amarooch.
Marooch.
Amarooch.
Oh my god, again. And then we got the Silver Tempest. We got Murkrow, Swablu, Rotom, Funnier, Treepy, Noivet, Arcanine. That's up to you, Lost Origin. Give us the big hate. We got a V card and we got a Butterfree. Full art. So far, at about 5 packs. We get some more stashes. Oh look, we got a Hollow and a Charizard. Yeah.
Yeah, Charizard.
Charizard coin.
Wow, that's the most rare stash of all for us.
That itself worth more than all these Poke Packs.
Probably.
Lost Origin. Let's go. We got a Blinks, Poliwag, Oddish, Regiana, Cramorant. Nothing in that station. These those together. When we got a Giratina artwork to bring us the Giratina alt art.
Giratina off.
Probably not. Lit Leo, Porygon, and Stun Joiner. Dome it, we can get shots.
Dollar store is not where it's at, guys.
They were till World Breaker Nate spread the secret about the tin and stole all the tins and put billion stars in them. They brought them all out, and now all they got left is this shot. Oh wait, Black Code. Let's go, Ultra Art Station. We got Kabu for our trainer and Kyurem V Max. Ooh.
Wow.
That's it. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and then go watch a video of the station.
Banger after banger.
We